Mastering the W9 with DocuSign is your secret weapon for seamless onboarding and tax compliance. First things first, log into your DocuSign account once you're in. Locate and click on the prominent Send an Envelope button. This is where our digital journey begins. Now, we need to tell DocuSign who needs to sign in the To field. Enter the email address of the individual or company you're sending the W9 to. Along with their full legal name, this ensures the correct person receives the document. Next, it's time to add our W9 form. Click on the Upload or Browse button and navigate your computer to select your W9 PDF. If you don't have a digital W9 ready, you can also start by creating a document directly in DocuSign. This is where the magic happens. On the right-hand side, you'll see a panel with various fields like text, signature, and date signed. Drag and drop these fields onto the W9 form where the recipient needs to fill in their information. Don't forget to assign each field to the correct recipient. Crucially, place the signature field in the designated signature area of the W9 then. Add text fields for all the necessary information like name, address, social security number or EIN, and any other required details from the W9. Make sure each field is appropriately placed and assigned. Before we send it off, take a moment to review everything. Check that the recipient is correct. All fields are placed, and the W9 form is accurately loaded. Once you're satisfied, click the big Send button to electronically deliver your W9 for signature. And that's it. You've successfully sent a W9 form for electronic signature. Your recipient will receive an email prompting them to sign, and you'll be notified once they've completed it. Keeping your records organized and your tax preparation smooth. Streamline your onboarding today.